Honeybee. In a garden behind a stone cottage, the morning felt like warm toast. Ellie and her little brother Jack peeked through the fence at a patch of wildflowers, foxgloves, poppies, and a yellow burst called lady's bedstraw. A soft buzz drifted by. "Hello," said a honeybee, landing on a daisy. "I'm Beatrice. I've got a very important job." "What job?" Jack asked, eyes round as saucers. "Helping flowers make seeds," Beatrice said. "Hop along, and I'll show you." Beatrice led them to a beehive shaped like a little golden house. Inside lived thousands of honeybees. We work together. The queen bee lays eggs to grow the colony. Worker bees, like me, collect nectar and pollen, feed baby bees, and keep the hive tidy. Drone bees help the queen make more bees. Ellie listened carefully. "Do you all buzz around flowers?" "Lots of us do," Beatrice smiled. "That's where our big planet happy job happens." They watched Beatrice visit a bloom with pink petals. She dipped her long tongue into the flower. "This sweet drink is nectar. I carry it home to make honey, bee food for rainy days." She brushed her sides against the flower. "And this yellow dust is pollen. Flower food. See my back legs? These fluffy bits are pollen baskets. I pack them full like shopping bags." Jack giggled. "Your bags are fuzzy." "Fuzz is handy," Beatrice winked. "Now for the magic." Beatrice zipped to a second flower of the same kind. "When I visit lots of flowers, bits of pollen hitch a ride and move from one flower's stamens to another flower's stigma. That's called pollination." "What happens next?" Ellie asked. "Pollinated flowers can make seeds and fruit," Beatrice said. "Seeds grow new plants. Fruit feeds animals and people. So every little pollen parcel helps the planet." She pointed at the garden beds. "Apples, strawberries, courgettes, pumpkins. Many of them need pollinators. Honeybees are busy helpers along with bumblebees, butterflies, moths, wasps, and even some beetles." Beatrice swooped up, then looped back in a wiggly pattern. "That dance is the waggle dance. Inside the hive, we do it to tell our sisters where the best flowers are. The wiggle shows the direction, like pointing. The length of the wiggle tells how far, and the buzz says, 'Hurry, it's brilliant.'" Jack tried a waggle. Ellie laughed. "The flowers will find you." "Exactly," Beatrice chimed. "Working together is clever." Back at the hive, Beatrice showed a frame filled with hexagon cells called honeycomb. "We pass nectar from bee to bee. Each bee adds special enzymes, then fans her wings to dry it. When it's thick and golden, we tuck it into the honeycomb and seal it with a wax lid. That's honey, energy for winter and rain." Ellie admired the neat hexagons. "Why hexagons?" "Strong and space-smart," Beatrice said. "Hexagons hold lots of honey without wasting room." Beatrice guided them through the garden, where more bees bobbed between blossoms. "You can help us help the planet. Plant bee-friendly flowers that bloom in spring, summer, and early autumn. Lavender, foxglove, crocus, borage, sunflowers. Leave a shallow water dish with pebbles so we can sip without falling in. Avoid strong pesticides. They can hurt bees and other helpers. Let a little wild corner grow. Nettles, daisies, clover are bee cafes. Buy local honey and support beekeepers who care for hives." Jack pointed at a tiny bee resting on the path. "Is it okay?" "Probably tired," Beatrice said. "You can offer a drop of sugar water on a spoon, just a little, so it can fly home." The sun slid behind a cloud, and the wind ruffled petals. "On rainy days we stay closer to home," Beatrice said. "Flowers need weather too, but as soon as the sky smiles again, we're out collecting and pollinating." Ellie looked across the garden. "So every day, bees help flowers make seeds, and that helps food grow, and that helps animals and people. That's a big spiral of help." Beatrice twirled midair. "A beautiful spiral. That's why protecting pollinators protects our planet." As evening painted the roofs, Beatrice buzzed back to her hive. "Thank you for learning," she said. "Remember, tiny helpers make a huge difference." Ellie squeezed Jack's hand. "Good night, little planet helpers." Jack waggled once, proud and small. "Good night, Beatrice." The garden settled. Somewhere inside the hive, soft wings fanned honey, and outside, the flowers held their seeds, like secret promises for tomorrow. Everyone, bees, blooms, and 2 curious children, rested very well indeed. Thank you for listening. Please consider subscribing and liking my video.